Spring is here, and I've been seeing a ton of animals in the yard, including cardinals. And in this video, I'm going to show you how I've been painting abstract cardinals, and hope you enjoy it. I did this one cardinal painting a while back for a commission, and it turned out pretty good. You might have seen that video. But in this next one, which was also for a commission, I wanted to do a much more abstract version. So I've already got my background painted out here on Strathmore Mixed Media paper. I started by practicing a silhouette of a cardinal. I intended to do negative space painting with this the whole time, so this was just practice. I'm not sure what it is about negative space painting. It seems to help me relax and not be too uptight, I guess. It definitely helps me paint a more abstract version of whatever I'm painting, if that makes sense. For the background here, I'm starting with some white and some phthalo green. Phthalo is actually spelled with a PH. It's kind of weird. I'm just going to put a link in the description if you guys want to check that out. But it's kind of a mint green when you mix it with white, and I'm going to use that to start kind of carving out the birds from this background of red, using about a 1-inch brush, I think, here. And the paint isn't mixed thoroughly, so you can see there's white still, little white patches, little darker colors of the phthalo green showing up in the background, and I really like that effect. It gives the background a little bit of a perception of depth and also a motion blur effect. It kind of keeps it loose. Yeah, so this came together pretty nicely, actually. I think for whatever reason, again, I think these are pleasing shapes, and I don't know that I could achieve those trying to paint the positive, if that makes sense. But painting it backwards seems to work. So this painting came together fairly quickly, and I don't think I have video of every step here at the end, but essentially what I did was mix up some lighter values for each of the colors that I was using. So, the greens, the whites, some pink, some yellow ochre, and etc. And then just sort of worked in some very abstract marks to indicate feathers or motion. The background, I just kind of took the inspiration from the shapes that were there, just added in some various marks to make it feel a little more dynamic. This is a very fast painting if anyone wants to try to do this. I love this style though. I think that it's a really neat style, has a lot of potential. So let me know what you all think and if you like it and what other subjects you might see this style working for. So just a quick painting video tutorial today. Here's how it turned out. Hope you like the end result. I was very pleased with it. Let me know what you think. Take care. See you next time. Peace.